Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable S Pen Open Air command with pen button on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on advanced features. Then we go down and tap on S Pen. Next, we swipe up to go down, and in here you want to tap on Open Air command with pen button. And so I'm going to turn this one off. You can see if it's off. If I try to press on the button, nothing happens. But when I turn this feature on, and if I have my pen hover over the screen, and when I press the button, it will open up the Air command menu. And so from anywhere on the screen, if I have my pen hover over the screen like this, it will allow me to open up the Air command menu by pressing on the button on the pen right here. And that's it. Finally, you can just tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.